what's your favorite time of the year? Christmas or Carnival? I ask that question every year because I can't make up my mind what's my favorite time of the year in sweet TNT. I love Christmas, but I'm a Carnival baby. So around this time, I kind of go straight from Christmas into Carnival very seamlessly, and that reflects in what I eat, how I eat, and what kind of food is on my plate. So thanks to Macfoods and these ready-to-cook meals, it comes in a lot in my diet, especially when I get busy from Christmas into Carnival. And this garlic pork is traditional Christmas. Many parts of the country swear by garlic pork. It's a Portuguese heritage that has come down here in TNT, and a lot of people swear that they must have garlic pork on their Christmas table, Christmas morning. I am not one of those, but I am developing a taste for it, and because of Macfoods, they've done all the work for you, because it's a lot of work to get garlic pork right. Macfoods done all the work here for you, and I'm putting a little twist on the Macfoods garlic pork today. So let's get cracking. I'm thinking I always like to mix and match flavors and see what goes well, right? So this is so simple, so easy, ready to do, ready to cook. I have a pot that's getting nice and hot here. Just want to add I would say about a tablespoon of oil. Once that oil gets nice and hot, all you're doing is taking all this lovely seasoned marinated garlic pork. That's right. Stay on one side. This literally is kind of ready in a few minutes. I would say between 5 to 7 minutes. Allow it to sear, allow it to cook, and do it straight. All the wonderful green seasonings, the garlic. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So I told you what my twist. My twist is very simple. So I am looking for a sticky, spicy garlic pork this Christmas. I have simple red pepper flakes. You could add as much of this as you want based on the level of heat that you could take. Yeah? Chili flakes. And I have just about a quarter cup of honey that I want to just drizzle on this garlic pork. This is literally when it just has probably, I would say, a couple more minutes on the fire. Get all that honey there. Garlic pork with a twist this Christmas. You can recognize Couple Joint kind of experimentative mode this Christmas. And from pesto ham to sticky honey garlic pork. Yeah. I'll put my twist on some classics. So immediately what you see happening here is that honey and all that lovely jus from the garlic and the pork just kind of coming together and forming that nice little honey sticky kind of vibes. Oh my goodness. This is going to be good. All the garlic pork connoisseurs out there, if you put honey and a little bit of red pepper flakes in your garlic pork, call my name. So this is almost ready to serve up, guys. You see how the honey sort of caramelizing and coming together? All the flavors kind of just melding together nicely. Oh yeah, this is lovely. That's, you just want all the honey tossed with the red pepper flakes and all that garlicky goodness come together as one. Time to serve up this bad boy. My honey garlic pork, guys, just a little kick. You got some chili powder in here as well. I kind of chose my spices red pepper flakes, but you're just looking for that little spicy kick. A little side to the top, and voila. This garlic pork with a difference of this Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas, guys. Enjoy your garlic pork. This going from Christmas straight into Carnival for me. This is a real nice cut off. I think in Panama. Where is it? Yeah. The honey just adds that little touch. More to come. Cup of Joe, Christmas into Carnival.